For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline.
The Indian men's cricket team has evolved to be one of the best in all formats of the game. But despite being one of the best, India has failed to deliver in the crunch situations. In the last 5 to 6 years, India has been one of the favourites going into any tournament, be it 50-over World Cup, T20 World Cup or a bilateral series. But despite being a contender, India has failed to bring the trophy back home. The latest example is of the 2019 50-over World Cup, when Team India delivered its ruthless best during the league stages, but when it mattered the most during the knockouts, the men in blue was found wanting. So now the question is, why is the Indian national side faltering at the knockouts? Well, former Indian opener Gautam Gambhir has now come up with an answer. Gambhir, who played a massive role in the 2007 T20 World Cup and 2011 50-over World Cup win for India, has claimed that Indian players have probably failed on the mental toughness aspect of the game. What sets you apart from being a good player to being a very, very good player in a team squad is what you do on those crucial games. I think probably we have not been able to handle the pressure. Probably other teams have been able to handle the pressure that way. If you look at all the semi-finals and finals, it just shows when playing really well in the league stage and you don't play well in the semi-finals or knockouts, it's probably your mental toughness as well. Gambhir also stated that during high-pressure situations, it is the belief of the players which plays a crucial role, but the Indian team lacks belief in all those crucial situations. We can keep talking that we've got everything. We have the ability to be the world champions, but till the time you don't go on the cricket field and prove that, you will never be called the world champions. So it's just your ability in those crunch situations. I've always said this, in bilateral and league stages, you have got probably a chance to make the mistake, come to the knockout stages. You don't have a chance to make a mistake, you make a mistake and you're going back home. So that's where beliefs come into play, and that is where India lacks in all those crucial games. Team India last won a major trophy in 2013, when MS Dhoni led the side to a Champions Trophy victory against England. Since then, India has been defeated in 2 finals and 3 semi-finals in the major ICC tournaments. The most recent and memorable knockout match that India lost was in the 2019 World Cup semi-final against New Zealand, when the men in blue fell short by 18 runs. In 2017, India lost the Champions Trophy final against the arch rivals Pakistan. India was the favourite to lift the trophy, but it conceded a massive 180-run defeat to Pakistan. In 2016, India was defeated in the semi-finals of the T20 World Cup in Mumbai by the mighty West Indies. In 2015, India was handed a thrashing by Australia in the semi-finals of the 50-over World Cup. In 2014, India lost in the finals of the T20 World Cup against Sri Lanka. Despite being one of the best teams in cricket, lack of trophies in the ICC events indeed puts a blemish in all the other achievements of Team India. However, Gautam Gambhir's statement about the mental toughness of Indian players is something which needs to be addressed by the management.